Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So in exercise 6, third question, use a number line to write the following integers in descending or decreasing order. In that second one, minus 4, 3, minus 8, minus 12, minus 7 and 6. So the answer will be, this will be the number line. And on arranging in descending order, it will be 6 greater than, 3 greater than, minus 4 greater than, minus 7 greater than, minus 8 greater than, minus 12. Not this one. This is ascending order. Okay, descending order, it will be 6 greater than, 3 greater than, minus 4 greater than, minus 7 greater than, minus 8 greater than, minus 12. So please change it. So our next chapter is chapter 7, number line. So let's see the steps for drawing a number line. So first step, draw a straight line of any suitable length. That you know. Now second step, mark points on the drawn line to divide it into the required number of equal parts. So divide this number line to equal parts by marking points on the number line. Okay, mark points on the number line and divide the number line into equal parts. These distances should be equal in length. So you can use your scale for marking these points. Okay, at equal distances you have to mark the points. Okay, now third step, mark any one of the points marked on the line in step 2 as 0. So, in this, you can mark any point as 0. You can choose the middle point if you want. Okay, so mark any point as 0. This point. Let us take this point as 0. Now, fourth step, starting from 0 and on the right hand side of it, mark the positive integers plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, etc. at the points marked in step 2. So we marked some points. So we marked a point as 0. Okay. So at the right side of 0, mark positive integers. So after 0, you can write positive 1, then positive 2, next positive 3, positive 4, positive 5, positive 6, positive 7, etc. At the right side of 0, mark positive integers. Next, similarly starting from 0, on the left hand side of it, mark the negative integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. at the points marked in step 2. So, at the left side of 0, mark negative integers, that is negative 1. Starting from 0. From here you have to start. So after 0, negative 1, then negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, etc. Okay. So at the mark one point as 0, then at the right side of 0 it will be positive integers and at the left side of 0 it will be negative integers. Then one more thing, at the both ends there will be arrow marks. This arrow marks indicates that these integers at the left side, negative integers will go up to infinity, will continue up to infinity. Okay, this arrow mark at the right side indicate that this positive integers will continue up to infinity. It will go on up to infinity. Okay. Next topic, using a number line to compare numbers. So out of any two numbers marked on a number line, the number which is to the right is greater, to the left is smaller. So any two numbers you select, out of that two numbers, a number lying right side will be greater. Number lying left side will be smaller. So let us take two numbers. This minus 3 and minus 1. Let us take minus 3 and a minus 1. Okay, we select two numbers. Out of this number, which one is to the right and which one to the left, that you can identify easily. Minus 1 is at the right side and minus 3 is at the left side. So number at the left side is smaller. So minus 3 is smaller. Number at the right side is greater. So minus 1 is at the right side. Okay. So minus 1 is greater than minus 3, we can see. Okay. So the number which is to the right is greater. The number which is to the left is smaller. Okay. Any two numbers you select. Next, exercise 7a. First question, fill in the blanks using the following number line. So one number line is given here. Use this number line to fill in these blanks. So first question, an integer on the number line is dash than every number on its left. So that you know, an integer on the given number line is greater than every number on its left. Okay. So let us take example from this number line. You can select 6. So 6, to the left side many integers are there. To the left of 6. So these numbers are less than 6 or 6 is greater than all these numbers. That is, an integer on the number line is greater than every number to its left side. Okay. Second question, an integer on the given number line is greater than every number to its right or left, you have to write here. Okay. So an integer on the given number line is greater than every number to its left. Left. This is the answer. Left side ഉള്ള ഇൻഡിജേഴ്സിനേക്കാൾ വലുതായിരിക്കും ഒരു ഇൻഡിജർ. റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലുള്ള ഇൻഡിജേഴ്സിനേക്കാൾ ചെറുതും ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിനേക്കാൾ വലുതുമായിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ. Third question, 2 is greater than minus 4 implies 2 is to the dash of minus 4. That is, left side or right side you have to write here. So 2 is greater means 2 will be at the right side. Okay, so right. Next, minus 3 is dash than 2 and 3 is dash than minus 2. So minus 3 and 2. Which one is greater here? 2. Okay. So here minus 3 is smaller or less you can write. Minus 3 is less than 2 and 3 is greater than 2. Okay. If we write minus 3 and 2. What is the symbol used here? This symbol. This means less than. Okay, so minus 3 is less than 2 and 3. 3 if you are writing in the left side and minus 2 on the right side, the symbol is, which one is greater here? 3 is greater. So the symbol used is greater than. Okay, so 3 is greater than minus 2. Okay. Fifth question, minus 4 is dash than minus 8 and 4 is dash than 8. So minus 4 is greater than minus 8. Okay. If you are writing minus 4 and minus 8, which one is greater here? Minus 4. Okay, if minus sign comes means you have to choose the smaller number. Numbers if you are comparing 4 and 8 plus 4 and plus 8, if you are comparing means 8 will be greater. But if minus sign is there means minus 4 and minus 8 means which one will be greater number? Minus 4. So here the sign is greater than. Okay. So minus 4 is greater than minus 8 and 4 is less than 8. Okay. Sixth one, 5 is dash than 2. That you know. 5 is greater than 2. And minus 5 is dash than minus 2. If minus sign comes means the sign will change. That is, if 5 is greater than 2, minus 5 will be less than minus 2. Okay, if negative sign comes means the sign will be its opposite. If 5 is greater than 2, minus 5 will be less than minus 2. So here you can write less than. Okay. Seventh one, minus 6 is dash than 3. That is, minus 6 is less than 3. It is less. Negative number is less than positive number. And the opposite of minus 6 is dash than opposite of 3. Opposite of minus 6 means it is 6. Okay. Opposite of 3 means it is minus 3. Now you know 6 and minus 3. 6 is greater than minus 3. Okay, 6 is positive, minus 3 is negative. So 6 is greater than minus 3. So opposite of minus 6 is greater than opposite of 3. That is, opposite of minus 6 it is 6. Opposite of 3 it is minus 3. So 6 is greater than minus 3. Okay. So here in the blank it will be greater. Next, eighth one, 8 is dash than minus 5. So 8 is greater. Okay, greater than minus 5. And minus 8 is dash than 5. So minus 8 will be less than 5. Okay. Now do the second and third question as homework. Next, fourth question. In each of the following pairs, replace star with the less than or greater than to make the statement true. So you have to replace this sign with a less than or greater than sign. Okay. First question, 3, 0. So here the symbol used is 3 is greater than 0, greater than. Now 0 minus 8, again greater than, 0 is greater. Okay, 0 is greater than every negative number. Here positive number is greater than 0. Every positive number is greater than 0. Now third one, minus 9 minus 3. If minus sign comes means you have to choose the smaller number. That is minus 3. This will be the greater number. Okay. So minus 9 less than minus 3. Minus 3 and 3. Thus you know every negative number is less than positive number. So less than minus 3 and 3. 3 will be the greater number and minus 3 will be the smaller number. So minus 3 is less than 3. 5 and minus 1. So this is positive number, minus 1 is negative number. So positive number will be greater. So 5 greater than minus 1. Next, minus 13, 0. So 0 will be greater. Here the symbol used is less than. Minus 13 less than 0. Now minus 8 minus 18. So here both are negative numbers. So which one will be greater? Minus 8. Okay. Minus 8 greater than minus 18. Positive 18. If you are comparing 8 and 18 means 18. 8 will be less than 18. But if negative numbers, if you are taking means minus 8 and minus 18, among this minus 8 will be greater. Okay. If the sign, negative numbers if you are taking means sign changes. Opposite of less than, it is greater than sign will come here. Okay, minus 8 greater than minus 18. Fifth question, in each case arrange the given integers in ascending order using a number line. So draw a number line and mark these points and you can write in ascending order. This we have done in the last chapter. And fifth question and sixth question, arrange the given integers in descending order using a number line. So these two questions you do as homework. Seventh question, for each of the statements given below, state whether it is true or false. The smallest integer is 0. This is false. Smallest integer we can't find. The opposite of minus 17, it is 17. This is true. Third one, the opposite of 0 is 0. True. Fourth one, every negative integer is smaller than 0. Correct. Every negative integer is smaller than 0. It is true. Fifth one, 0 is greater than every positive integer. This is false. 0 is less than every positive integer. Okay. Sixth one, since 0 is neither negative nor positive, it is not an integer. It is an integer. Okay. Even though 0 is neither negative nor positive, it is an integer. So this statement is false.